Welcome back to our Christmas craft world. Today we are creating a beautiful budget-friendly jute and pinecone Christmas wall and door hanging wreath. A handcrafted decoration made with nature gifts. This wreath brings warmth, coziness and rustic charm to your home. And at the end I will share her touching Christmas story about hope, kindness and the magic of handmade craft. Let's begin. For this wreath you only need jute rope or jute ribbon, pine cones, a circular base, cardboard or hot glue, twigs berry or small ornaments, ribbon for bow, simple, affordable, and perfect for last minute Christmas decor. Start by taking your circular base, wrap the jute rope all around it tightly. Let the texture of jute show this is what. Now collect your pine cones, small and big. Arrange them on one side of the wreath first. Glue them in layer, creating a natural cluster. Pine cones symbolize warmth, protection, and winter blessing, perfect for a Christmas wreath that hang on your door. Welcoming love one home. Take your time and enjoy the natural beauty of each pine cone. Add berries for color, twigs for style, and small ornaments for sparkle. You can even add cinnamon sticks for a cozy scent. Use what you have at home. This craft is all about creativity, saving, and simple beauty. Finish with a bow made from jute or red ribbon, depending on how rustic or festive you want it to look. Hold up your wreath and admire it. Simple, elegant, and made with love, perfect for wall decor, halfways, or as a gift for someone special. Now let's move into the heart-touching Christmas story that makes this wreath even more meaningful. There was once a little girl named Mira who lived with her mother in a chini cottage on the edges of snowy forest. Money was tight, but their home was always filled with love. Every year, Mira would watch after homes decorating with bright lights and fancy ornaments, and she would wish to decorate her own home too. One chill evening, just a few days before Christmas, Mira stepped outside to gather firewood. As she walked through the forest, she noticed something beautiful, pine cone everywhere laying under a tall evergreen tree. She picked them gently one by one, placing them in her small basket. On her way back, she found some long twigs and a piece of old jute rope that the villager had thrown away. Suddenly, she had an idea, simple, heartwarming idea. That night, she sat by the fireplace with her mother and said, "Mom, can we make something beautiful for Christmas? I found these pine cones. Can we decorate our home too?" Her mother smiled warmly, her eyes shining with pride. "Of course, my child, beauty does not come from expensive things. It comes from the hand that create and the heart that love." Hope you like the video. If you like, so please subscribe my channel, hit the bell icon for more amazing videos. Have a wonderful and amazing Christmas ahead.